Yesterday I did a neurographic art piece, and what I did was scribbled it in pencil, went over it with a pen, and then last night I went home and just went over it with a pen, size 12 Pigma marker. And anyways, this is what I came up with. How cool is that? And you know what, guys? You can do it. If you are stumped for something to do that is creative, the neurographic art is a really good meditative and intuitive artistic process that links the unconscious and the conscious, helps your brain. And Lord knows we need help with our brains. Well, grab yourself a micron pen, a pencil, some paper, and follow along with me if you like, or just sit back, relax, have a cup of tea, and watch and learn.